In this video, I'll show you how to link WhatsApp to another phone so you can use the same WhatsApp account on multiple devices, whether you're on Android or iPhone. This is really useful if you want to send and receive WhatsApp messages from a second phone without logging out of your main device. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download WhatsApp on your second phone if you haven't already. Once installed, open the app. Now, here's the important step. Don't enter your phone number. Instead, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Link as Companion Device. This will generate a QR code on your screen. Next, grab your primary phone where your WhatsApp account is already active. Open WhatsApp, then go to Settings. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right and select Linked Devices. On iPhone, you'll find it directly in Settings. Tap on Link a Device and scan the QR code shown on your second phone. Once scanned, your chats will start syncing automatically. Give it a few seconds to load, and that's it. You've successfully linked WhatsApp to another phone.